In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Xero as a complete beginner. If you're new to accounting software, don't worry, I'll walk you through the basics so you can get started quickly and confidently. First, head over to the Xero website and click on Try Xero for free. This lets you start with a free trial so you can explore the platform without paying upfront. Once you click that, you'll be asked to enter your basic details like your name, email, phone number, and location. After filling everything out, confirm your account through the email they send you. Once verified, you'll set a password and enter your business details, such as your business name, industry, and country. After that, click Start Trial and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Now, this dashboard is your main workspace. It shows you an overview of your finances, including your bank balance, invoices, bills, and cash flow. It's basically where you manage everything. One of the first things you should do is connect your bank account. This allows Xero to automatically import your transactions, saving you a lot of time. You can do this by going to the Accounting section and selecting Bank Accounts. Next, let's talk about expenses. You can easily track your spending by going to the Expenses section. Here, you can create expense claims, upload receipts, and categorize your expenses properly. This helps you stay organized and keep accurate records. Another important feature is invoicing. If you want to get paid by customers, you can create invoices directly in Xero. Just click the plus button, select Invoice, fill in the details, and send it. You can also track whether it's been paid or not. You'll also find the Contacts section useful, where you can add and manage your customers and suppliers. This makes it easier when creating invoices or tracking transactions. Finally, don't forget about reports. Xero provides reports like profit and loss and cash flow, which help you understand how your business is performing. Overall, Xero is very beginner-friendly once you understand the layout. Focus on connecting your bank, tracking expenses, and sending invoices. That's the core of using it effectively. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.